As long as the TextExpander app is installed on your iOS device, you'll also then be able to activate the TextExpander Keyboard. So let's do that here on the iPad. We'll need to go into the Settings app, General, and Keyboard. Tap Add New Keyboard, and in the third-party keyboard section, we see TextExpander. Tap on this, and then choose the language or languages that you want to use with the keyboard, and it's installed. So now if I jump into Mail and compose a new email, we're not able to expand any snippets using the standard iOS keyboard. This keyboard will only expand snippets when we're in the Notes section of the TextExpander app. In any other app, I need to switch to the TextExpander keyboard to expand snippets. Here in Mail, I'll tap and hold on the keyboard's button here and select TextExpander. Now I can expand snippets by entering their abbreviations in any app. If you don't remember a specific abbreviation for a snippet, tap the TextExpander icon key here, and we have snippet keys. Just tap the snippet you want, and it's expanded. The snippets included in the snippet keys can be controlled in the General pane of TextExpander settings. Tap Edit to adjust the order of the keys or to remove any that you don't want. Tap on the Add button to add snippets from other folders to your snippet keys. I'm going to add all 4 of the signature snippets. So now in the TextExpander keyboard, I can expand snippets by abbreviation or by using snippet keys in any app. Hi, thanks for watching the tutorial. For many more tutorials on how to use your Apple devices and software, head to themacu.com. There you can view in-depth video tutorials on Mac and iOS, Safari, Mail, iTunes, iMovie, the Photos app, the Files app for iOS, and many, many more. When starting the free trial, use the code TUBE20 to save 20% off your membership. It's super affordable, and you can watch on themacu.com or using the TMU Tutorials app for Mac or iOS. Thanks again, and now back to the tutorial.